Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe this video. And please watch full video. And if you need join Telegram group, this is my link and this link I will paste in description box. Please check it and join it. Let's start our job update. First job from Fund Analyst. This is Chennai location, Tamil Nadu, and salary is 4.5 lakh per annum. And opportunity is full-time opportunity and day shift. And this is job description. You can see here. And knowledge must need MS Excel and MS Outlook, means Gmail, Microsoft Gmail. Okay, and this is all about that. Our next job is business analyst from Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and salary is 7 LPA to 15 LPA per year. And this is also full-time opportunity, and this is permanent. Okay, and shift is morning shift, and Monday to Friday is work office, means Saturday Sunday off. This is about company, and this is all about, and this is requirement Pooja Saxena and all HR I think. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is financial analyst intern. This is Kochi, Kerala location, and company name is, you can read here, and salary is 15k to 50k, 15k to 50k, and this is full time internship opportunity. First you have hire as an internship, and then you have go in full time opportunity. Okay, and this is basic knowledge, statics knowledge, descriptive statics, applied statics, mathematical knowledge, financial knowledge, and other skill like SAS, Python, MS Excel, MS Word, computer knowledge, communication skill, and all you have need. And salary, or I am already said that. And how to apply these? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our our next job is insight analyst. This is for remote Hyderabad location, and this is all about qualification and all. And how to apply the job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst with Zoho expert, and salary is at 8 LPA to 12 LPA and full-time opportunity. This is also, and shift is evening shift, and Monday to Friday is work time office. And uh, eight and how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is clinical data analyst. This is Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 4 LPA to 6 LPA, and this is full-time job opportunity, and shift is morning shift. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And basic qualification need BSc biotechnology, chemistry, MBA in healthcare or relevant field. And our next job is data analyst and MIS analyst. This is Mumbai, Maharashtra location also, and salary is 25k. And this is full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location. Salary is not mentioned in this job, and this is description, job description, and this is your responsibility. You can read here. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is a data analyst for Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and salary is 15 LPA per year, and this is also full time opportunity and day shift. And this is your job responsibility and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data management analyst. This is a full-time opportunity, and salary is not mentioned in this job. And this is all about this job. And how to apply this job, you have click here, apply on company site, and you have fill all the detail. Our next job is not related to data analyst, but this is for fresher domain, and this is hiring for software engineer. And apply here, click, and